Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the car AI video on apps.pixverse on Pixverse AI. So here you can go to templates or select your own prompt. I'm just going to select template here. If you're on image and text, select template and select the ride my Porsche one. You'll need 20 credits. You get 60 if you sign in. Then I'm just going to upload an image or a video. Just waiting for it to kind of load. Once it's uploaded, you're just going to select create and you're just going to wait until AI creates it. As you can see, the video is generating. It's actually not that long. It doesn't take super long. I think you can edit the duration, but you'll need to pay for it, and this is what it will look like. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. To download, just select this download button. I hope it was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.